Our topic was to design a wooden toy for kids from 9 months to 15 months of age, taking bionic inspiration. So as we have discussed, Hari and Anush have already discussed the characteristics of a toddler, what kind of improvements we are trying to make in a toy, and how can they learn more through a toy, what kind of action reactions and things we are trying to make them learn through toys. Then we had taken few interviews of parents and what kind of toys they like, and then few market studies, the kind of toys that are available in the market. And this was my design brief. So these were the must-haves, that it should be safe, it should have the strength, and it should be approachable by the kid. Then the may-haves that I had chosen. Toy should be used in a multiple ways, like it can be customizable or something like that. It should have the physical development of the kid, should be somewhat unpredictable, and it should be interactive. Scope include basic design mechanisms, the form and the manufacturing of the toy. Then I discussed about the users and the constraints which we had while designing. The microenvironment was, it has to be used in an Indian house, and product specification that it should not be more than 1 feet in size, and it should be small in size, and should be entirely made out of wood. Product life cycle would be about 1 year. It will be used roughly by a kid daily. So keeping in mind the user studies, market studies, bionic inspirations, then I move forward with the ideation. So I have divided it into 3 parts. So the first one was when I took inspiration from the tails of different animals. Majorly it was the monkey. It was the forward movement of the monkey with wheels attached at the bottom, and the tail will be somewhat tactile, and at the same time the tail will give a tactile feedback to the kid. Then this was when I was not only looking towards push toys. Then that time I decided a cradle hanging monkey, noticing the tail of the monkey. Then this was another one in which the tail will have a wavy movement, and will be the toy will be handled by another